Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have a 2017, 16, 18 Ford F150 and we are trying to add a key. We are using our auto Hotel 608 and here the key that we need to add. This car have remote starter and then we're going to go to diagnose. So let's see how long it takes to do that one. Please subscribe, share and like. Okay, I'm gonna go to Imo, accept. This is a working key that is inside now. I go by VIN, auto detect. By the way, if your car have this kind of key, consider it is the same. Whether it's a Ford, Lincoln, Mercury with the flip key, is the same procedure. So I'm gonna say okay. The car is running. Blade key or smart key, and there is a difference between, and this is from 2015 by the way to 2017. Any car with a Ford Taurus, Expedition, any car with this kind of key with a blade key. Now I'm gonna go to IMO scan to be sure my IMO is okay, and I'm sure it's okay. Here we're populated with red or orange. Now I just wanna add a key. It's 4 step. I'm gonna take this one out. This one is already working. I'm gonna put the good one. I believe when you finish programming, the door lock unlock supposed to work. If it's not, we're gonna program it manually. Start. If you have a factory alarm, it will not work. So this will not erase the existing key. Sometime the dashboard will become dark and come on back again. Don't worry about it. Insert the key to ignition on. Success. They say 3 to 10 minutes. Dealer tools will take 10 minutes no matter what. Here it takes 3 minutes. It can go to 10 minutes or it cannot. Right now we have like say when we are within the first minute. So let's see how long it takes. I'm not gonna leave it. We're gonna wait for it to see what duration it takes. Or if we don't need that one, I'm just gonna stop it. I have 3 minutes till now. We're gonna stop it and I will give you approximately how long it takes. By the way, it takes less than 4 minutes. Yeah, about 4 minutes. Key lantern to ignition off. Insert the key to be there and turn the ignition on. Supposed to be 3 key now. Yes, current number 3. Do you want to learn another one? I say no. So 4 step is done. Less than 5 minutes. I'm gonna turn the key off, take it out, push the door lock. Yeah, you see? Door lock, unlock work. Which is not bad. So I'm gonna put the key in, start it. The car is started. Everything look good. Now we have one problem now with the airbag. Light is on. Let's see what's gonna happen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and see you in another video. And thank you for your support. Thank you.